You want to hang on to it? You want to hang it? Here.
I think he likes to hold on to the bench.
Tiger moved again.
Oh, did it?
That's not a lion. It's a tiger.
Good girl's got a tiger by the tail. Yes.
I'll hide them back there.
Smelly boars are all in.
Oh no, they're right here. They're sleeping.
Oh,
They're right here sleeping.
Yes, they are. Look at them all. What's in here? Storks.
What are those?
Storks. Look, they have big skin, big long legs. See the picture? Oh, flamingo. Okay. Well, they're not there.
It's a flamingo.
Swans.
Flamingo.
I can just pause and keep recording it.
And the boy who was blue and the blue guys, and the blue guy was like.
Oh, don't pull on her hair. Because of his face. He's still learning.
he's flirting.
And the blue guy was. And the blue guy was and he was like.
Oh, we're going in a tunnel. Oh, big tunnel.
Flamingos! Silly flamingos! Just like
In the new Oh, look, they're on the move.
no, I bet there's gotta be bears. No, there's no bears here.
He's freaked out. What do you think of this?
Oh, there.
He's not freaked out.
No, he's just like a little, like he just sat back. Like,
Mooses now, mooses!
Welcome, son.
dry us off a little bit. No, gentle.
Ready for the Christmas dinner.
Bye, see you later.
Oh,
Look at the hippos.
Look at them. Ugly.
The hippos.
Lying in the mud.
They're actually walking this time.
He's having a mud bath. Do you think he's a little bit on the heavy side? Well, I guess that's how people have mud baths when you look at hippos.
Makes their skin nice and soft.
I guess.
That is awesome. The hippos were both sleeping last time.
I don't live here. I live in Victoria.
Oh, what's this here?
Ox. There's an ox.
You might see a freezer dog. What was the name
No,
of the
don't play
lake
with
we
your hair.
went to? Stay in there. moon. Did you see any moons?
You can do that.
The water wheel. There's a hut here. There's one place. Pretty get refreshing. Have a coffee. Oh, it's marshy down there.
I pulled it back because he's supposed to check it out.
Oh, it's tadpoles down there. Big tadpoles. There's a lookout up there. Oh, look.
The wolves are all
Always seen when you were out there. See? These are the horns over there. Size of that tire swing, John. Yeah, that's bigger than what you had. That's huge. Even though it's big. The Kiki. There's their bath. Whoever's home it is, that's their bath.
It's locked, so you can't do nothing either.
Bear stare. Yeah, bear stare. Stare the bear. Oh, look at that. Is that a... Oh, hi there.
Hi there.
A bison?
Hi there. Hello, bison. Hello, tree. Hello, bison. Hello, tree. Hello, bison. Hello, bison.
Oh, look at his feet.
Hello.
He's in there. Look at that.
Hello, house. Hello, bathroom. Hello, baby. Hello.
Look at Biggie.
Oh, it's spicy.
Oh, look, here's a camel. There's a camel in the peacock. Camel, do you remember the camel in the peacock? Even a white one.
A camel.
Gosh, that's like one of the